So why do you, or how do you see yourself being effective in that realm when it comes to work with a lot of different people?
I feel one, first and foremost, as engineers or even just STEM professionals or even, education student wise, is, we're literally just trained learners. When you get out, you're not expected to be able to, do MATLAB calculations on paper. Granted, you're trained to learn how to derive them. But in reality, like, you have these resources, you have a collaborative team. Again, you have different people from different perspectives to kind of solve problems that have not yet been solved or even looked at or considered. And so in doing so, again, if you treat your life the same way, any kind of situation you're trying to build, whether it be a business or collaboration, as a new problem, and you bring in and you're open to those different insights or even opportunities to learn, I mean, the results are endless.
Got it.